Are you struggling to manage the complexities of multi-channel publishing? With so many formats, devices, and platforms to consider, the pre-press stage is more crucial than ever. Here are 7 expert tips to optimize your process and boost your publishing efficiency. Tip number 1: understand file formats. Whether it's TIFF, PDF, or EPS, ensure your files are saved in the right formats to maintain quality and compatibility across channels. Tip number 2: proofread and test. Check for grammar, image placement, and color consistency to avoid costly mistakes and ensure a polished final product. Tip number 3: font spacing. Use fonts that are print-friendly and avoid overloading your design with too many typefaces to maintain consistency. Tip number 4: color management. Calibrate your monitor regularly and use color profiles to maintain color accuracy across devices and channels. Tip number 5: file optimization. Send images separately, embed fonts, and ensure your files meet all printing requirements for a smoother publishing experience. Tip number 6: screen calibration. Ensure color accuracy by using RGB or CMYK settings to prevent color discrepancies in your designs. Tip number 7: bleed and trim areas. Properly marked bleed and trim areas ensure your design is correctly cut and optimized for print. With these 7 tips, you can streamline your pre-press workflow and create high-quality materials for any channel. Take your pre-press to the next level. Partner with Hurix Digital to ensure smooth publishing every time.